Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine a cake that's incredibly moist, light, and packed with a subtle tang. That's the magic of yogurt cake, and it's surprisingly simple to create right in your own kitchen. This beloved dessert is a fantastic way to elevate everyday ingredients into something truly special. You'll be amazed at how easily you can achieve such a delicious and satisfying treat, perfect for any occasion. Crafting this delightful yogurt cake begins with just a handful of simple ingredients you likely already have on hand. You'll need creamy plain yogurt, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, fresh eggs, and a neutral oil like vegetable or canola. A little baking powder ensures a lovely rise, and a dash of vanilla extract adds that comforting aroma and taste. These accessible items truly are all it takes to whip up something wonderfully satisfying. The key to a light and tender yogurt cake lies in how you mix the batter. Start by whisking together all your wet ingredients like yogurt, oil, eggs, and sugar until they're beautifully smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and any other dry components. Then, gently fold the dry mixture into the wet, just until everything is combined. Remember, avoiding overmixing is crucial for that wonderfully delicate texture. With your batter ready, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Pour the smooth batter into your prepared baking pan, ensuring it's spread evenly for consistent cooking. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes or until the cake turns a beautiful golden brown. A quick toothpick test should come out clean, signaling it's perfectly done. Once baked, allow your delicious yogurt cake to cool fully on a wire rack before slicing. This ensures the cake sets properly and holds its lovely moist texture. A simple dusting of powdered sugar makes for an elegant presentation, but feel free to get creative. Try adding fresh lemon zest to the batter, folding in some juicy berries, or drizzling a simple lemon glaze over the top for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy every tender bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.